Welcome back to another Bargain Savage video, and today I have for you the Tzumi Sound Mates. Okay, pause. How did we get to here? So I only have audio coming out of one right now, and it appears that this one is not turning on. Yeah. Nope. And that one just quit. Ha 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 ha! Oh my god. And then it kicked the other one back out. Unreal. No, they're not. Just one again. Oh yeah, that's how. I picked these up at Canadian Tire. They are wireless stereo earbuds, and they look like fake AirPods. I've seen some other fake AirPods around, like Ticpods and Sound Pods, I think is another one. But these are Sound Mates. We're going to see what they're like. It says auto pairing, built-in mic, wireless stereo earbuds, playtime 3 hours, auto pairing, standby 40 hours, listen without limits. Alright. Bunch of other stuff on there. Not really too worried about it. Let's get these things out of here. There is the charging case and Sound Mates. Got some other goodies in here too. There we go. Got a little charger. Not very long. Micro USB. Some instructions. Bluetooth 5.0. Turning on your earbuds. Method 1, remove your earbuds from the charging case. The right earbuds LED will flash orange, white, and you will hear power on. Method 2, if the earbuds are not inside the charging case or turned off, press and hold the multi-function buttons for 2 seconds until the orange-white LEDs flicker and you will hear power on. Turning off your earbuds. Method 1, place the earbuds back into the charging case. Method 2, press and hold the multi-function button on either earbud for 4 seconds. The orange LED will flash quickly for 3 seconds and turn off. You'll hear power off. Okay, let's see if we can pair these things. Alright, so it appears that these things have come stone dead from the factory. We're going to have to charge these up, and then we'll give them a test after that. See if I can find out how long we're supposed to charge for. Okay, it doesn't give me a time on how long it's going to take to charge them. It just says the LED will flash orange while charging, and once fully charged, the LED will turn solid orange. So, pop these things back in, and get them charged up. Okay, to fully charge this took somewhere over 2 hours and somewhere under 3. I'm not exactly sure of the time, but that'll give you approximately how much time it's going to take. And now we have some glowing going on here. I'll take these out. Pairing. Unable to communicate with Tzumi Sound Mates. Try it again. There, it connected. Okay, it says connected to phone and media audio. Now, first thoughts here. Don't know if they're gonna stay in my ears very good. Not bad. Let's see how they sound. Okay, so I only have audio coming out of one right now. I'm gonna put them back in the case here. And then I'm gonna try again. It says it connected again. But I'm just guessing here that I'm still gonna only have audio coming out of one. Yeah. Okay, I held that for a long time, and it appears that this one is not turning on. Isn't that great? When I put it back in the case, the lights turned on inside there. And then it's not very long. And the one that doesn't turn on shuts off. Oh. Now they're both charging again. So I hope this is just something to do with it not charging while it was plugged in for the first time. I do have red light on both of them now. So I guess we wait again, and then we'll go from there. Alright, let's try this again. I've hopefully got them fully charged. I'm going to pull them out. Yes, I have lights on both, flashing. And I'm connected for call and audio media. It did that automatically because it did pair the one. It's not pairing this one though, it's still flashing. Huh. It just connected. There we go. So it took a bit. They're both not flashing now. Both connected for media. And again, I repeat that I don't like the way they sit in my ears. Let's see how they sound. Nope. Still audio only in one side. So unsure what's going on here. I'm gonna pop them both back in. That's supposed to shut them off. Now, I don't know why it's not connecting to the other one automatically. It's flashing. But it doesn't appear that it wants to connect. So that's been quite some time and it's not connecting. Gonna have to try something else. These definitely didn't pair as well as the Blue Hive ones that I tested from Canadian Tire. Okay, I took them both out of the package, the case, the charging case, and one connected and one did not. So they don't seem to be working together. So I'm going to try and do it with the buttons. Got power off there. Okay, I have power off there. I'm going to try and turn them on at the exact same time. see if this makes any difference at all. Okay, I turned them on at exactly the same time. And it connected the right one and not the left one. This is driving me crazy. So now I'm going to go in and delete them. Out of my phone. Okay, so I held the button down longer. Now it says device pairing. And now, of course, it's still only paired the one. I'm going to try and pair the other one. This phone does not have dual Bluetooth capability. Gonna see what it does. Okay, so it paired the other one, and then it kicked the other one back out. Unreal. Now, I'm pretty sure this is more difficult than what it needs to be. I did not have any trouble with the Blue Hive ones, pairing them for the first time. A lot easier working there. I'll throw a link up for that if you want to watch that video. So now they've been flashing for so long, the one just turned off. Okay, I think I got it this time. Guess you should read the instructions a little better. It says remove both earbuds from the charging case. They will begin auto pairing to each other and you will hear Sound Mates connected. The right earbud's LED will flash orange and white. And now that's what I have going on here. Okay, so now, once again, I have Tzumi Sound Mates connected to phone and media audio. Let's see if they're both working. No, they're not. Just one again. What I'm going to do is I'm going to pull them out and stick them in my ears. When I pull them out, they should both begin flashing. And that one just quit. Okay, so I've had quite a bit of trouble trying to pair these. I'm going to try one more time and I'm going to do it exactly the way they say it in the manual. So the manual states, Bluetooth pairing instructions. First, remove both earbuds from the charging case. They will begin auto pairing to each other and you will hear Sound Mates connected. In the right earbud's LED will flash orange and white. Second, keep the earbuds within 3 feet of your smart device for Bluetooth pairing only. Enable your device's Bluetooth function from the settings menu. Select Tzumi Sound Mates from the Bluetooth device list to pair the earbuds to your device. Once paired, you will hear the device connected. Your Sound Mates are now ready to use. Okay, so I think I've been impatient with these things. And now we're going to try and pull them out. I'm going to stick them in my ears, see if I can hear what's supposed to go on. Okay, I only have one flashing, so that's probably a bad sign. And this one just said power off. And this one is flashing now. So that's not what we want. It's only giving me an option for one. Hey, there we go, device connected. These things are way harder to pair than I think they need to be for some reason. I mean, this is an older phone that I use for this, but it's a Samsung Note 2. Anyway, I had call audio. Alright, now I'm going to give it a sound test. This would be a great time to like and subscribe. Hopefully pretty soon I'll be giving some giveaways away, and I don't think you want to miss out on that. Oh my God. Alright. These things have officially made me very angry. So, I have fully charged the case. When you stick them in here, they start charging. You can see a glow in there. Before I just started to pair these, they were off and fully charged. During an approximately 2 minutes of playtime, the left one had already said low battery, and before my test clip was done, it shut off the left earbud. I'm gonna give these things one more chance. I'm going to fully charge the case again, and then I'm gonna play them for a while. So let's fast forward to that. Okay, so I went back, recharged these things, went at it again. They were fully charged, and in 24 minutes the left earbud died. The right earbud kept playing, and I kept using it for quite some time. It went for at least an hour over that. Then I put them back in, charged them both again, and tried again to see how long they would go. And the second time, the left earbud made it 19 minutes before it said that it needed charging. And then after about 3 minutes of that, it completely shut off. So, what do I think of the sound quality of these? Well, the highs and the mids are okay. They're lacking bass. I don't think they're really good by any means, but they're not bad. They're okay. I'm not exceptionally happy with them. I mean, like, the highs and the mids are nice enough. They don't sound echoey or anything like that. Through calls, it's a little bit of latency there. Watching videos where you can actually see somebody's lips moving and you're using these, there's a lot of delay there. They don't line up. So I'm not even going to test the microphone on these. I cannot recommend these at all. I went online, checked it out, and there's a bunch of people having problems with these. Pairing is a big issue. Also, one ear pod not charging is a big issue. So yeah, they were very close to getting this, and now I'm gonna let you guys make a decision. Should these be smashed? And if so, leave a comment below stating that they should be smashed, and I will make a video on these things getting smashed. Or if you think they should be given away, I will give them away as well. I do not have the receipt for them, so I cannot return them, but they were very, very, very close to getting smashed on camera. I mean, like, they're only good for 24 minutes, 20 minutes, and then one dies, so you don't have stereo sound going on. It would maybe work okay, the right one, for call audio, but yeah, not super impressed with these at all. I think your money would be well more spent on the Blue Hive True Wireless earbuds that I reviewed before. I mean, there was some delay there in watching videos as well, but the overall sound experience is a lot better than these. Pairing was better. There has been some people having troubles with some pairing on the Blue Hive, but all in all, they definitely worked a lot better out of the box than these things. Now that they are paired, I can take these things out and they're paired like that. It's no problem. Let me know in the comments below what you think, and we'll deal with these things later. Not happy with them. So if you like this video, then please like and subscribe, and have a great day.